Welcome. In front of me is an Orange Fova, and today I will show you how to enable the portable hotspot. So to get started, we'll need to open up Settings app. So tap on Apps and find your Settings app wherever it is. So it's right here for me. And then once you're in it, tap on More, the Wireless and Networks, and you'll see Tethering and Portable Hotspot. So you can just tap on it. And from here, Portable Wi-Fi Hotspot. Now, if you don't have a SIM card, you cannot do this because you will use your mobile data for it to work. And if you try to enable it without a SIM card, it will give you a message that you need to put it in. So once you have a SIM card as well, you can then enable that. And you can also then tap on Set Up Wi-Fi Hotspot. So from here you can choose something like password and type of protection and the name of the network itself. And also tap here to see the password, and tap here if you want to change it. So just change it to something completely unbeatable, and tap on Save. And now, for instance, you can connect to this network on a different device. So if I would just take, let's say, like my phone right now and connect to Wi-Fi with it, this network with the name of Orange Fova should be visible, and as you can see, it's right here. So Orange Fova, that's basically this network. So I could connect to it using the password that we have set right here, which is super unbeatable 12345678 password, and yeah. And then you can use the network from this device on a different one. So, and if you want to turn it off, you will need to basically disable this right here to basically stop the Wi-Fi hotspot. So that is in a way how you enable it and also disable it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.